The last step is communication, where the analyzed data is formally presented to stakeholders. Use of several data visualization techniques make the communication effective. Data analysis can be presented in various forms, such as visual graphs, plotting maps, creating reports, writing a white paper, or even through a PowerPoint presentation. Data visualization techniques are used for graphical representation of data and are powerful tools for effective communication. Following are the main benefits of data visualization. Simplifies complex quantitative information. Identifies the relationship between data points and variables. Identifies patterns in data. Establishes trends present in the data and guides the analysis process. Here are some examples where data visualization can be applied. If you want to present information about new and existing customers and their behavior when they access your website. If you want to see web traffic patterns for the website, for example, more activity on the website in the morning than in the evening. Let's now look at plotting, another effective data visualization technique. Plotting is a data visualization technique used to represent underlying data through graphics. This is used often in data analytics. It can be understood as a coordinate system like x-axis and y-axis that represent variables, and you can mark your data based on the dataset and a mathematical equation. The process of plotting is also like telling the story about your data through different colors, shapes, and sizes. You can also show the relationship between variables through plotting. For example, the value of x changes if the value of y changes. Based on this information, the visual or graph changes. Similarly, you can show that one variable is independent of the other variable.